AI is coming for your job and what this actually means for small business owners and coaches. And everyone is asking the wrong question about AI. It's not, is AI coming for my job? The real question is, if AI wipes out average work, where does that leave you? My name is Don Markland, and I'm the CEO of Accountability Nail, one of the most successful business coaching firms in the United States. And I'm also the co-CEO of Noomii.com, where we work with small business owners and coaches every single day. And everybody's wondering the same thing. If AI is about to make what you do irrelevant, not someday, right now. So let's cut through all that crap, the fear and the clickbait, and talk about what AI actually means for people who run businesses and sell their services. I'm going to cover 3 things today, and I hope it makes sense to you. Keep watching. Number 1, fear isn't the problem. Freezing is the problem. Every generation thinks this technology is the one that's going to end work as we know it. Factories did it. Computers did it. The internet did it. Now it's AI. But here's what's different. If you're a small business owner, if you're a coach, you don't get replaced because of AI. You get replaced because you refuse to adapt. Fear is normal, but doing nothing, that's lethal. If you're spending energy worrying instead of experimenting and testing and figuring it out, you are already behind. Now, number 2, AI kills tasks, not businesses. AI is ruthless with repetitive work, scheduling, drafting, basic analysis, generate content. And honestly, that's a gift. If your business only works when you are buried in the busy work, then you don't have a business, you have a bottleneck. You have a very expensive job. AI removes low value labor so you can double down on what actually creates money. Judgment, strategy, context, decision-making. That isn't automation, that's leverage. And it's a big difference. Now, number 3, the winners won't be AI experts. They will be AI partners. The people who win in this future won't be the ones that are shouting and yelling, I use AI, I'm AI first. They'll be the ones that say, AI lets me think better, faster, clearer, and make better decisions. For business owners, coaches, this means you have better preparatory processes, better frameworks, stronger follow-up, sharper insights, better management, faster decisions, fewer mistakes. AI doesn't replace experience. It amplifies it. And if you already know what you're doing, AI makes you dangerous in a good way. The uncomfortable truth that most people don't even want to pay attention to is if you sell information, AI will cheapen it. If what you sell is interpretation, application of that information, you become more valuable. The future belongs to people who design experiences, hold others to standards, make a real difference, and drive income. This doesn't feel like work to outsiders, but it is the hardest work there is. So here's what I want you to ask yourself. If AI took over 50% of your current tasks tomorrow, would your value increase or disappear? And be honest with that. AI isn't here to destroy small businesses or the coaching industry. It is here to expose them. It exposes who built something real and who has built something really, really fragile. And the people who win won't defend the old way. They'll redesign their role, not as workers or hustlers, but as business owners. And if you're willing to do this, AI won't take your livelihood. I promise it's going to multiply it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, leave comments below. And as always, I help you grow your business and coaching practice one client at a time.